Rejected 50 times, Joydeep Dutta still built a multi-crore business changed millions of lives. In the silence of the night, the soft glow of a computer screen lit up the room. Sitting in front of it was a young man, eyes red, face weary, but a flicker of hope still alive in his heart. He wasn't coding. He wasn't building a presentation. He was staring at yet another email. "We regret to inform you." These words were no longer unfamiliar. He already knew, yet another company had rejected his job application. But this time, something had changed. This email wasn't just another blow. It became the final push. Instead of breaking him, it awakened something new within, a resolve. And from that resolve, the smart shift was born, a digital revolution that is now transforming the lives of thousands of young Indians across the country. Today, we'll take a deep dive into this inspiring story. But before we begin, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on any of our latest updates. So, let's begin today's discussion without any delay. This is the story of Joydeep Dutta, a young man from the small town of Manbajar, born into a modest family who earned degrees in BCA and MCA. But when he stepped into the world to seek a job, all he received in return were rejection letters. Over 50 companies, including Capgemini, turned him down. After every interview, every test, the same question echoed in his mind. Am I not good enough? But the problem wasn't his capability. The problem was the system itself. A system that values marks over merit. That asks for degrees but not understanding. That filters out potential based on paperwork, not passion. It was the year 2018. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's controversial "Sell Pakoras" remark was trending nationwide. Some laughed, some raged, but Joydeep took it as a challenge. He thought, if one can become self-reliant by selling pakoras, why can't I start something of my own? This wasn't just a thought, it was a rebellion, a revolt against the SAM system that had rejected him 50 times. And thus began the real journey of his life. In 2019, Joydeep Dutta, without any big funding or elite network, launched his own digital marketing firm, Affnosys India. At first, there were hardly any clients, but Joydeep's belief in himself was immense. Slowly, his hard work started to show results. And then came 2020, the COVID wave, a tsunami that wiped out millions of businesses across the globe. Affnosys was no exception. Operations halted, clients disappeared, and income dropped to zero. To pay his employees, Joydeep had to take loans. And just when the professional chaos seemed never-ending, a personal storm hit his life. He was shattered, but he did not fall apart. At a time when most people would give up, Joydeep chose to look within himself. He recalled the Prime Minister's call for Atmanirbhar Bharat and the vision of Skill India. It hit him. If there's a path forward, it lies in digital skills. So he retrained himself, learning digital marketing, e-commerce, SEO, content creation, branding, every essential skill needed in today's digital age. And within just a few months, he rebuilt his business, stronger, more professional, and entirely digital. Today, Joydeep Dutta's company generates crores in turnover. Affnosys India is no longer just a firm. It's a full-fledged brand that helps businesses with digital marketing, brand management, influencer partnerships, and online sales strategies. But even after all these accomplishments, the thing Joydeep is most proud of isn't the money or fame. It's the impact of his digital planner, the smart shift, which has transformed the mindset of thousands of young Indians. The Smart Shift, Business Strategy for the Intelligent Era, is not just a book or a typical guide, it's the personal journey of a young man who taught himself everything, endured every setback, and is now helping other youth who find themselves broken at the doorsteps of corporate rejection. The most powerful feature of this planner is that it isn't built on theoretical knowledge, it's built on real experiences. experiences Joydeep lived through in his hardest times, learned from pain, and understood with deep conviction. The language of this planner isn't stuffed with heavy corporate jargon. It's so simple and relatable that even a small-town youth can read it and feel empowered to say, "Yes, I can do this too." It walks readers through how to lay the foundation of a digital business, conduct market research, find clients, build a brand, increase sales, and most importantly, how to fight through adversity. Joydeep Dutta firmly believes that skills, not degrees, are the real weapons in today's world. And now, he's dedicating his life to teaching children from small towns, villages, and farming families how to earn money using digital skills, how to freelance, how to build their own websites, how to attract clients, and most importantly, how to become job creators instead of job seekers. The purpose of the Smart Shift is not just to teach business, it's to change your mindset. The mindset that says, "What now? If I didn't get a government job?" Joydeep counters it with, "Now do something on your own. Build your own path." And that's why, today, thousands of young people are not just earning money through his planner, they're regaining their self-respect. His training workshops are now attended by everyone from IIT graduates to village-level intermediate pass-outs. Because people have started to understand that this is the era of skills. In every session, Joydeep repeats just one thing: "I wasn't special, but I made myself special." You can too. You just need to start. His dream is that every unemployed youth in India, every young person who's ever felt the pain of rejection, should be able to make a fresh start through the Smart Shift. For him, the planner is not just a book, it is the key to self-reliance. He truly believes that if a boy from a small town can build a crore-rupee business without any support, then any youth in India can do the same. They just need someone to show them the way. And that's exactly what the Smart Shift is doing, showing the way forward. Through this platform, thousands of young people have already launched their own digital ventures. Some have become graphic designers, others content writers, affiliate marketers, YouTubers, each one becoming the master of their own world. And this isn't just Joydeep's victory, it's India's victory. What makes this story truly remarkable is that there was no big investment, no godfather, no shortcut. Just one boy's dream, his relentless effort, and his unshakable belief in himself. And if you're watching this video today, feeling incapable, exhausted, or hopeless, remember this: everything that Joydeep had, you have too. The only difference? He started. Now it's your turn. So the next time you read a rejection letter, don't get angry. See it as a new direction. A new road that, just like it did for Joydeep, might one day give you a whole new identity.
If this video has taught you something new, do not forget to like and share this video so that this information can reach others as well. Your likes and shares are a source of inspiration for us. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments. It will be our honor to answer your questions and listen to suggestions. And yes, if you like our content, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you stay connected with every new story. Thank you. GRT Business YouTube channel sources: news from various news agencies, opinion polls, and other public sources. We try to ensure that every report and summary is accurate and verified, but we are not responsible for any dispute or error. Our aim is only to provide you with accurate information.